मेरे साथ इस वक्त अलीशा जुनैद साहिबा मौजूद हैं, जो कि 16 साला पाकिस्तानी नजात हैं और कैलिफोर्निया में रहती हैं। पाकिस्तानी डायस्पोरा के नाम से ये लड़की मशहूर है। तो ये यहाँ पर जो है आज इनको इनकी बेहतरीन कारकर्दगी के हवाले से यूएस एड में अवार्ड से भी नवाजा गया है। तो मैं अलीशा से पूछूंगी कि अलीशा कैन यू टेल मी हाउ टू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी?
I started my journey because I've been visiting Pakistan ever since I was young. And I came to Pakistan last December and trained with a couple of the girls from the national team. And I kind of realized that if they had as much opportunities in training as I do in the US, they could really succeed in any sports they wanted to, because everyone here is so passionate. And I think that if we really tapped into that potential, Pakistan could do really well. And I just saw that like gap within the resources, and I wanted to do something for this country.
Alicia, you know, 66% youth in Pakistan and different and representing in different countries. You are representing in California and Pakistan. So can you tell me about youth for what your company what is doing for Pakistani youth?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start creating training programs and facilities for youth to train, because here there's not a lot of programs or facilities for youth, and we want to be able to provide programs that give world class training, so that as the pool of players grow and as more and more girls start playing sports, indoor sports, we can really like enable them to play at the highest level possible. Like, we want them to be able to be passionate about sports and be able to tap into that passion and play at the highest level possible.
If anyone young girl or young boy with work you, then any
Well, so we're right now we're starting with like the national team, which is a lot older, but with as we get into the youth, we want to just be able to provide resources for all youth. So even if it's not by directly training, we want to be able to provide them with spaces to train and helping them find equipment so that they can really so that everyone is able to access something. And then from there, we're always going to be looking for girls and hosting tryouts and stuff, so that everyone who wants to play is able to get the chance and at least be able to show their skills and what they've been working on.
Alicia, last question. Your organization working in Pakistan, just Islamabad or all countries?
So we're working throughout the entire country. We're going to have our main complex in Islamabad, just because it is like the diplomatic hub, as well as many other factors. Like weather and culture and environment, because if we're having a lot of international people come, Islamabad is one of the safer areas. But we're going to be working all throughout Pakistan. Any tryouts we hold, any girls we look into, we'll be constantly traveling around the country, providing resources throughout all of Pakistan, as well as looking for girls and potential players throughout Pakistan. So it's not just limited to Islamabad, but the entire Pakistan.
Why you locate your ground or your office in diplomatic enclave? Why not?
Well, we want to actually separate Empowers entirely from politics, but the reason we did it in Islamabad is because we're going to be having a lot of international tournaments, as well as a lot of international coaches and players and teams be coming in and out. So we decided that this is the best area to have our main complex in if we're going to need to outsource a little bit.
Alicia, can you give a message?
My message, I guess, is more directed towards the youth and any sports players in Pakistan. If you're passionate about something, if you can help us, just anything, like if you want to play, keep playing. And for the older audience, any help or any support you have right now, we're looking for land and sponsorships. Anything is appreciated. You can always reach out to us. We have a website, empowersportsacademy.org. We just really appreciate anything from anyone, and we want to be able to share our journey with everyone and enable as many girls and youth as we can.
Thank you.
Thank you.